Oh, thank you. What's up, everyone? Welcome. 18th August. Was really expecting for price to push down, but I guess it didn't happen. Well, we did push down, and then we continued to push back up. What can we do? We can do nothing at that stage. Nothing happened over there. So we're gonna have to wait over here, because we're borderline consolidating. Let's take a look at this over here. Salam, walaikum salam, welcome. Welcome. Let's bring this here, increase this. To be honest, this week as well, I don't think there's something, volatile happening this week. I mean, we got FOMC minutes, but how much will that affect? Nothing. Okay, what I'm going to do is I have to do some push-ups. Yeah, we're ranging. I mean, there's nothing happening. Look, we had a lot of volume pre-London session. We had price push down about 100 pips. So I wouldn't be surprised if we just consolidate. Okay, I am in buys. Ooh, people are in buys over here. Interesting. I don't see anything of importance unless this 15-minute candle closes bullish. Yeah, that's going to be better. But if you're in buys and you're looking for price to fill this range, I think that's a very good trading idea right here. For price to continue up to 33, 57, 33, 50. I think that's going to be very good. Sorry, I just did 30 push-ups. I'm back over here now. Anyway, good day, mentor. Good day, bias, bruh. Bias right now, nothing. Look, the 1 hour candle has broken above the high to continue to push up the first 6 minutes, 5 minutes. You look at the 4 hours retracing after pushing down, expecting London session to push up. Yeah. I'm going to wait for this 15-minute candle to close. Could we take buy? Sure. If you want to take buy, you can take buy. But I'm willing to wait to see how this 15-minute candle closes. Prince T still having issues. Yeah, some intermediary banks, they accept cards easily, some don't. So I think that's the issue. So maybe you want to contact the bank and they might ask you, hey, look, we're seeing that you're trying to use it over here. Is this okay? So I think that's the only issue. Secure 20 pips, nice. See, if the 15-minute candle can close like this, and the next 15-minute candle can wick down, break above 33.52 to continue to push up, I think that's going to be better. So just going to wait over here. I'm not able to open. Sure you are. But if you're from the US, I don't think that's going to be possible. Only if you are from the US. The market has been consolidating for a while. Yeah, I mean, It has been consulting for about 2 hours, not for a while. I'm from Bangladesh. Okay, sure. Yes, you can. You can. What makes you guys think you can't do things that you don't know you can't do? That's the important question. Anyway, so we got about 7 minutes left over here. Good morning, Mr. Raja. Happy week. Happy week. I think it's going to be a good week. I think we can hope for it to be a good week. Let's take a look at pound yen. Wow, pound yen is continuing to push down. Let's remove these zones. Let's take a look on the 4 hour. 4 hour is trying to push down as well. Good. But push down till where? 199.376 looks good. Let's take a look at that on the 1 hour time frame. 1 hour 1 hour has clean range apart from the fact we open up with a gap. And yeah, you know what? To be honest, looks good. I mean, taking a sell now is going to be a little bit risky because we've already moved about 40 pips on pound yen. पैसा बहुत ज़्यादा आ गया है क्या करूं 2 लाख हैं मेरे पास. Wow, so the guy is saying a lot of money has come to me. What should I do? I don't know. Maybe don't spend it all at once, right? Qatar, brother, come to Dubai. I just bought MFU. How can I join from Zoom? You can join from Zoom through Discord. From our Discord. So if you go to Discord, and then you will find it there. MT5 independent funding this week. It's coming up this week. Can you check Forex Factory? I did check Forex Factory in the morning. Wow, look at this rejection. Look at this rejection. This is what I was afraid of, right over here. Exactly this. What is plan in gold? I'm already buy. I love from Bangladesh. For me, my plan in gold is to wait for the candle to close. That's my plan. Do you have live trading room? You are in it. Does Asian session typically correct the previous New York session, or does it lead the way for the new trading day? You know what? I don't look at price action from the perspective of will it correct the previous session, or will it lead the new trading day, or will it no? I don't look at price action that way. I look at price action in a way to say that okay, where can the current 30-minute candle can go? Where can the current 1 hour candle can go? And can I execute there and get about 20, 30, 40 pips? That's it. That's all what I look at. But do you think investing for long term in S&P 500 is a good idea? I think so. I mean, I'm not in it. Well, here's the thing. I'm not in it, so I don't know. But based on what I've seen, it seems like a good idea, but I haven't done that on that idea. Let's take a look at this chart over here. Faizan Khan sending this chart. Faizan Khan, what are you sending over here? Buys. Oh, beautiful. Very nice. Very nice. भाई जो लोग प्रॉफिटेबल हैं मैसेज करो नंबर ऊपर थोड़ा गाइड की ज़रूरत है 20 लाख लॉस हो गया है क्या करूं 2 साल में इतना लॉस wow what can I do man how can I contact you on this number the guy basically wrote his number for everyone to see sending me 200 rupees so this means 20 lakh 200 rupees bro you know the thing is all the money you've lost you can't chase that money you can't chase that money you can't try to see how you can recover it back because in the beginning that was my mistake as well like I would chase my losses I would try to make my losses back and most of the time it doesn't really work what's this please can you explain your secret sauce about exhausting and wick fill candles what do you mean by that what do you mean exhausting and wick fill candles what do you mean apart from something that we've already talked about in the webinars but what does that mean what secret sauce what's the relation between central bank interest rates and how forex prices move okay so I'm going to give a very open blunt and honest answer and I don't look I'm going to give a very blunt answer the The relationship between central bank interest rates and how Forex moves is not important for you to know for you to be profitable. Let's put it that way. That's useless knowledge you want to just look for I don't know what. But that's basically very, very useless knowledge. Oh wow, look at this. We're continuing to push up now. Let's take a look. Oh, on the 5-minute looked like this. 15-minute. Candle's still open. We got about what? A minute left for the candle to close. A minute left. Why I choose Dominion Markets describe some advantages. Well, you can use your commissions towards incentives like magic keys. You can use it towards education. Thank you so much for the free knowledge. At last got a total prop capital 500,000. Oh, nice. Very nice. You did discuss same in last session, but check the length of the wick of the candle. Oh, yeah. Just go watch the webinar then. Yeah, I remember. I think it was in the simulation sessions we talked about that. Where if the wick is bigger than the body, it's exhaustion. If the wick is smaller than the body, then that's not exhaustion. What's the name of the Samsung screen you always use for your teachings? I don't know. It's like an interactive TV or something. Okay, here we go. The 15-minute candle has opened. This new 15-minute candle. I think what's gonna happen on Monday is that I'm just gonna miss the move because of lack of confirmations, which I'm looking for. I think that's what's going to happen. So this 15-minute, let's see if we break above this area, 33.54. It can continue to push up. Why should I choose? Don't choose Dominion Markets. What the fuck? I'm having issues with verifications. Maybe submit a good document so you don't have issues. Good morning. My name is Adam. I'm from Somalia. Can I ask you a question? You already asked a question before asking a question. Good morning, sir. John from Nigeria. Good morning. Thank you. Welcome. Is your broker A book or B book? Hybrid model. There's no such thing as a fully A book broker. How to learn your strategies. How to learn my strategies. Go to a lot of videos on YouTube. Okay. All right. Let's see here. Let's bring up Market Edge over. Wow, I think it moved up a lot already. Yeah, I think so too. I honestly think so too. To be honest, when I saw this move up, and this morning when I was looking at price, and price was right over here, I was thinking, man, if we can create support, I think I can have a very good trade today. That was what I was thinking. And you know what Market Edge just announced? Man, this is incredible. Look at that. I click on candle analysis on gold, right? Show me this chart. I zoom in. Okay. Are you guys ready? Are you guys ready? Are you guys ready? What I'm about to show you. So I zoom in and I want to know what happened on this candle. Okay? You ready? I click on this candle and it shows me what happened during this candle. What was the reason this candle was formed? And then I click over here and shows me what was the reason this candle was formed. Like, incredible. Take a look at this right over here. What happened to 3 a.m. to 4 a.m. to 4 a.m.? It's going to do this analysis, processing data, processing global economic events, reviewing central bank activities. I guess this candle is still open, so it's not going to tell you now because the candle just opened, right? But this is in beta mode, and man, once it's launched like full-fledged mode, that's it, game over. That's it. What else do you need? Just wild, right? I mean, let's take a look at this right over here. Okay, so I want to take a look at what happened on this candle. I'll click this candle. Oh wow, look at that. Job growth sharpen. Dollar drops broadly after data shows non-farm payroll in July. Okay. And I want to look at more information. Okay, let's click this brain over here. Some more information from my monkey ass brain. It's gonna do its analysis. They do very, very deep analysis throughout the internet. Look at that. Wow. That. Such information. Fully secured 23 pips in buys. Congratulations, David. Beautiful. I got nothing today. I got nothing today. Sir, what is the website? Man, are you blind? Either you're blind or you just, like, you know, when there's something shown, you just close your eyes. You're like, no, I'm not going to look at it. I'm just going to ask this dumbass question. I'm not going to look at it. Did we miss impulse entries on M15? I don't know. To be honest, I was looking for the 15-minute candle to close, you know, like a strong bullish candle. That's what I was waiting for. But it didn't really happen. Let's take a look at this. Oh, nice. Very nice. Waiting for structure to be formed. Waiting for structure. So you're waiting for structure now, or oh, okay, secured 25 pips. Beautiful. No, man, that's amazing. That's amazing. Your mic is not so good. Well, then you start singing. Did we miss impulse entry on M15? Well, you know, I didn't really see it. I didn't really see it. MT5 Simulator is free on Dominion Markets for 1 month. Please don't feel any weird sensations. We don't need any more weird sensations. Do you have bad slippage on your prop firm? As yeah, we have. No, we'll have to see how the arbitrage situation is on MT5. But man, the execution speeds on C-Trader on Dominion Funding, insane. Can we enter now and place a stop loss at the half of 15-minute candle? No, I wouldn't recommend that. You know, like if I were to take a buy, okay, if I were to take a buy, I would want this candle to probably close with a small body and the next one to break up, or even if I look on a 30-minute candle. Yeah, no. Like if I look at this, I know that I've basically missed the trade. Hey, what's up, Samir Khan YouTube? Who is this? Samir Khan YouTube, we will investigate you now. Let's go to channel. Let's investigate Samir Khan. What is this? 127. Oh, nice. Samir Khan YouTube. Ah, wow, very nice. Look at this. Hey there. I'm very surprising art. Teaching and art. Beautiful. Jazakallah khair. Amazing. Wow. Look at that. We got everything. Why? Oh, only one video. One video, 127K followers. How is this? Just drawings. Man, look at this. We have an artist over here. To be honest, that's pretty good. That is sick. Oh wow, look at this. Wild. How are you? Good? Yeah. So after a big candle close, you will either wait for new support form, one bearish candle to form, bullish candles, impulse entry and trend. Yeah. Yeah, exactly. Like if I'm looking at this now, I'm basically telling myself I've missed the trade. That's it. Nothing more than I'm looking at over here. Thanks, I'm 34 pip profit, close full one trade. Today I'm done. Beautiful. Is it possible from 5K funded to 50K? Can we do? Sure. By taking payouts every account and scale by buying new one? Yes, 100%. You can do that. Can you explain funded account? No. Sir, suppose candle close? No, I'm not going to play these suppose games. Did you miss the 1 hour trade or didn't you want to take the trade? No, I didn't take that trade. I didn't. Like a lot of people in our community here in YouTube, they took that trade. I didn't. Can we expect swap free account in Dominion Funding? No. Swap free account. Swap free account. What's up? Good morning. We need to start a new product. It will be called One Step Swap Free. Let's do that. There we go. One Step Swap Free, right? Yeah, I think that's good. One Step Swap Free. Swap free accounts, one step. Beautiful. Do you do crypto or stocks? I do Forex CFD. Forex CFD. For seven-figure trading, what do you think is good to take? Swiss quote or IBKR or Saxo Banks? Are you stupid? Who is this guy? For seven figure. Who gave you seven figures if you don't know where to? Okay, here we go. Go over here. Bye bye. See ya. See ya. Put this in timeout and remove this guy for 24 hours. Usually, what time? Okay, sir, what's this? So, don't you ever pray? I see you on live Fridays prayer time, and you always go live at Zohr time. Why is that? When it's Zohr time in your city, it's not Zohr time in my city. Where do you get these retards? Usually, what time usually place in the trade in the best time and what time frame? Usually, what time usually place the trade? Wait is your best time. Is this a tongue twister? Usually, what time usually place the trade? Wait is your best time and what time frame? It's a tongue twister. Usually, I try to wait for the candle to be 50% completed. Like if I'm looking at price right now, I can see the this 15-minute candle is rejecting. It's about to close, so I don't know how it's going to close. So we'll have to wait over here. What's your email address? Oh, does Dominion Funding use trailing drawdown? And do you have rules when it comes to lot size? No rules when it comes to lot size. I have a question. In funded account, I want to take risk of 1% for each trade. 1% whole account. One amount can win. I would say maybe focus on risking 0.5%. Focus on risking 0.5%. That is my advice to you. Which country is the best for not paying taxes? Which country has the best jail? Let's try to think in the reverse order. And then how do you avoid jail? And what should you not do to avoid jail? Maybe try not to evade taxes. Right? Make sense? Jail, stress, fines, anxiety. So you gotta decide. I'm from Pakistan, trading 2 years, but not profitable. I stared your lectures. Yeah, don't stare at my lectures. Maybe you can start to do them. I'm sorry, but but yeah, man. Like the main thing is this. Look, I think every trader out there, they know how to trade. Every trader can use technical analysis. Every trader can use like an indicators, and every trader from a reasonable amount of perspective. I think every trader knows where a specific price is going to go. Like everyone knows what the basic bias is going to be. You know, if you have 10 people, I'd say like 6 or 7 out of 10 people will know exactly what the bias is going to be. But the one thing that's going to be lacking is execution, to knowing where to execute the trade. That's going to be the biggest thing that will be lacking. You know, knowing where to execute the trade. I forgot where I was going with this, so just excuse my my mind, which is going everywhere today. But I forgot where I was going with. A book or B book, will the broker give a payout? Yeah, that's it. That's the thing. That's the thing. Whether someone is A booking you or B booking you, will you get a withdrawal? I want to start trading. Where should I start? My YouTube. I can't be on this video. My mind is hurting. Okay? No one told you to log in anyway. Would you advise that we take a trade just once a day? Yes, I would advise that. Just focus on once a day. Instant funding is not worthy. 3%, 5% drawdown plus consistency rule. Bakwas. हाँ भाई instant funding plan इसलिए तो आए हैं कि जो जिन लोगों को instant funding चाहिए वो आए हैं उसमें. Yeah, it is big bakwas, trust me. And we will launch it soon. Waiting for instant funding or Dominion funding? Yes, it's coming up. Learn a lot from you, not only trading, also about life. Thank you, Salim. Thank you. I think we're launching something with MT5. I forgot what we were launching with MT5. Let me take a look at this. What were we launching with MT5? Come on, stupid. Okay, what were we launching with MT5 over here? Oh yeah, we're coming out with something different. Yeah, I know what Yeah, we're coming out with something. I'm not going to tell you guys because someone may copy it. We're coming out with something very, very interesting with MT5 and Dominion funding. Do you use tick volume? Please explain. No, I don't use tick volume. But the candle's about to close in about, what, 15 seconds, 20 seconds? We're getting a retracement. 30-minute candle is forming like this. Look at this. Look at the size of this wick over here, right? Now look, 28 pip wick. The body is about, almost the same. It's a 1-to-1, but borderline, it looks like a rejection, right? Borderline looks like a rejection. A little bit. Yeah, I mean, yeah, look at that, man. It's a tough situation now. Tough situation. We don't know whether it's going to go up or go down. If the 15-minute candle's on a gold close bullish, I think we can continue to push up. Wow, pound yen did tap into that area. Look at that. Inshallah, the day we become billionaires will be the first day I meet you because you are my role model. Thank you, Sharik. Thank you very much. You were about to search which country has less jails or something. Yeah, no, not less jails, better jails, and then start talking about something else. Can we just trade trending markets like when we are breaking support? Yeah, that's the best way to trade. The best way to trade is just to look for trending markets. Wait a minute, I need to cut this nail. One thing you always want to keep handy with you is a nail cutter. All the time. Keep that shit handy. You never know when you would need it. Keep that in. Sometimes there's these nails, they dig deep in your skin. Very important to get rid of them. Small things. They're like stop losses. Sir, I have a business idea. What business idea do you have? Can I reach out to you? I have a suggestion and plan for your Dominion funding plan. Yeah, sure. Sure. Mr. Prashant, send it. Send that to us. Let's take a look at these business ideas. These wonderful business ideas. I am in cell. Very nice. Beautiful. Ducky Bhai has been arrested for promoting binary betting trading in Pakistan. Yeah, man. And most of these guys will get in trouble too. Most of these guys in Pakistan will get in trouble. They're promoting some binary and Kotex and all this stuff. Binary is the biggest scam out there. Let's take a look at this. Is we need to wait for resistance to form? Yeah, you know what? To be honest, I'm just waiting for. I just don't like this price action at all over here. I don't like this at all. I mean, the 30-minute candle has a support over here, and then we're like, no, I don't like this at all. I mean, if this 30-minute candle can, the fuck. Having swap free as an add-on. Swap free as an add-on. Yeah, we can do that. Yeah, swap free. Swap free as an add-on. Swap free as an add-on. Salam, bro. Would it be a good idea to have a section in the Discord MF chat for students who bought funding accounts and doing the challenges? Bought funding accounts and doing the challenges. Let me think about it. Why don't you charge $99, something along that lines, for funded account, example for 100K account, and then the rest to be paid after getting funded? This would give better throughput rate, as if failure rate is very, the failure rate is high. Yeah, you know what? That could work as well. That could work as well. Unnecessarily should be arrested by UAE authorities ASAP. Guys, a scammer. I don't know. Man, like, here's the thing, man. What people need to do is to show that they're trading, rather than to say that, hey, like, look, use my affiliate link. Come on. How? Like, why? And then there are retards out there who are believing someone is trading. It's just so crazy. I trade only London session, but sometimes no setups form. When should I move from one session to trading both London and New York like you? I think you should just focus on one session, and sometimes when there is nothing, then there's nothing, right? Because let's say you're working in sales, and you're working in sales that's only on commissions only. You know, some days you get nothing, some days you get something. I have 500 account of Top Step. I have 500 account of Top Step, and one of them account that I am trying to use your same strategy. I didn't get a chance to place a trade with you. The reason you won't be live all the time. That's true. When will we be seeing monthly competition on Dominion funding? I don't know. We will have to take a look into that. I'm Abdul from India. Are you everyday live trade sessions? Yes, I am everyday live trade sessions. Not every day, sorry. Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. But this time I think it's going to be Monday, Wednesday, and Thursday. Because Thursday night I'm leaving for Colombia. Going to Colombia on Thursday. So this is a 30-minute candle. Wow, look at that. Look at this. Coming back to this. Should I take a buy? I think this could be a very good idea for a buy. I would say so. Unless we don't break our own low now at this point. I think that could work. What's this? Came across your video 6-7 months ago. Watched a few of your podcasts. Love your personality. So lively. Thank you, man. Appreciate it. Appreciate it. Can you grow this account from 500 to 50,000? It's possible. From 500 to 50,000, it's possible. But this account is a part of a leaderboard on Dominion Markets. Yeah, this account is a part of a leaderboard on Dominion Markets. Take a look at this. This is the leaderboard on Dominion Markets right here. Oh, look. Gold and spread. Spread on gold. 1.1. Yeah, look at that. Look at this over here. Negative, negative, negative. And then look at this. Positive, positive, positive. Positive, positive, positive. Fines were paid successfully. Beautiful. All right. Okay. What's going on over here now? It's a Monday and so the first 8 minutes, the 30-minute candle just fell. Just fell. Came to this rejection area. What's the probability that this candle can close with a small body? Next one breaks the high, 33.52, and then we continue to push up with impulse move. What is the probability that can happen? Create micro Forex in your broker, sir? No. Can you launch journaling app? We are building something for the CRM. Do you trade news? Yes, sometimes. I want to learn the same time, make bucks while in the process to do, give yourself sell will be helpful. Awesome. You'll be visiting my country. You're going to Ciudad Perdida? No, we're going to Cartagena. Cartagena, and then we'll go to Santa Marta. Santa Marta, amigo, ¿qué pasa? Santa Marta, and then we'll go to the Lost City. C Trader is closed, only MT5 used. We're using MT5. I applied for Dominion on account markets with my UK IDs, but somehow it got not approved. We're going to contact someone to sort this out. Trading Indian, so I think what you can do is you can go to our Discord on Dominion Markets. Go to Discord on Dominion Markets, and then you can maybe open up a ticket there so it's fast. No one is responding? Yeah, because it was the weekend. All right, where's this? Okay, this is still playing over here. Any trustable funded firm? All of them are trustable. Business or pleasure in Colombia? Both. Apply for account? Okay. I take a buy on the trade. Whatever happens, happens. Yeah, I mean, if you do take a buy, just have a stop loss down here at 33.48. Just have a stop loss right there, 33.48. Lost City, Cuidar, Perdada, Jaja. Yeah, the Lost City. Yeah, I think it's going to be fun. It's going to be 3 days of hiking. 3 days of hiking in the jungle, sleeping out there. Man, I think it's going to be very, very interesting. Very, very interesting. Good morning. I came in late, but did you take an impulse on the previous candle? Hey, Kate. Morning. No, no impulse. No, I was waiting for a confirmation. I couldn't get one. I was actually waiting for this 15-minute candle to close, but yeah, no, I couldn't get one. Nada. I'm so glad to be part of this group. I would have been trying to force a trade right now, but I'm learning the best thing you can do sometimes. It's just, yeah, man, sometimes just wait. Just, yeah, seriously, just waiting. I have $2,500. What might be the standard risk amount and my expectations to fix the mine? The standard risk amount should be, I would say maybe, okay, so I'm not going to talk in about percentage terms, but I'll talk about, like money-wise terms. On a $2,500 account, I wouldn't be one to lose more than, let's say, $120 a day. $120 or $150 per day. That's what I would want, realistically speaking. Almost like $100 to $120. Are you looking for this candle to close a small body and long to? Yeah, that's what I'm waiting for. Well, that's what I'm hoping for. For candle to close with small body and next one breaks above the high, impulse entry. Or if we can break and close below 33.49, then next one can continue down to fill these wicks. Did you have a mentor starting up trading? Yeah, we were like friends. Started funded account. Any suggestions? Yes, just follow the rules. We will rock you. Where can I find your OF link? I don't have one. That's what I mean, Lost City. Yes, apart from GG and Gold, which are the Forex pairs? It's a clean range strategy where clean range strategy is a strategy that works on all pairs. All pairs. All pairs where you can see sensible, reasonable, candlesticks, it works over there. For example, let's take a look at BTC. Where is BTC? BTC fucking USD. BTC fucking USD. Oh, 150. Where did we tap into on BTC? Oh, wow, look at that. Previous high was 123. We tapped into 124. We tapped into 124. Wow, crazy. As my analysis, gold can go all time in September 2025. Beautiful. Assalamu alaikum. Wa alaikum assalam. Just love and respect from your brother from Dubai. Welcome, Ali Nawaz. Welcome. Welcome. 6 months to 1 year at least. That's correct. So you don't have to stress yourself seeing a candlestick movement. I know what will happen next. Beautiful. Good job. Good for you. Good for you. Good for you. Good for you. All right. What's going on over here now? We are working with the Dubai regulators now. Beautiful. That's what we want. We are aiming to get regulated in Dubai. They send a lot of emails every day though. That's very annoying. I would hope they would stop sending these emails all day. They send so many emails. So many, so annoying. Wonder what's going to happen when we finally get into this relationship over here. Man, god damn. These regulators have no chill. The thing with these regulators is they will respond to you after days and they expect you to respond to them within 24 hours. You are noob. Thank you, Aura Traders. Let's take a look at you then. If I'm noob, what are you? Let's take a look at this dumbass over here. Look at this retard, Aura Traders, telling me I'm noob. Look at it. 2 subscribers, 2 videos. Wow. Oh my god, look at that. 22 views for someone's fake ass video. Who's noob now? Who's noob now? Where is this Aura Traders over here? Wonder what you look like. Aura Traders, more about that. Yeah. Let's take a look at more about this channel. 2 subscribers. Oh, look, he's got 3 subscribers now. Let's refresh this. Look. Wow, 3 subscribers. I'm gonna unsubscribe from you, Aura Trader. Unsubscribe. Boom. See now, from 3, you went down to 2. You went down to 2. So that hurts you more. And if I lose a subscriber, man, I have 400,000. If I lose a subscriber, I don't care. Because 1 or 2 people unsubscribing wouldn't make any fucking difference. So, the point I'm trying to make is, the people who try to pull you down are the ones who have not achieved much in their life. Those are the people who always try to pull you down, who have not achieved anything in their life. Right? Where is this Aura Traders? Is he still here? I hope he left. Retard. Can I get funded account? Sure. Go buy it. Do you plan to stay in UAE for a long time? Yeah. You know what? To be honest, we really enjoy living over here. It's amazing. It's amazing. Like safety, security, services. It's just one of the best places you could live. Don't choose Thug Life. Thug Life chose Raja. Oracle again. Where did he go? I'm watching from Qatar. Thank you. Does Dominion Funding accept UPI for purchasing? No. What is CRM? Can you explain? CRM is Customer Report Management. Let me Google. I'll Google this. Yeah, customer relationship management system. I will just buy many accounts. Hey, we okay. No information today. Never message. Greetings from my mom basement. Thank you. Welcome. Customer relationship management. Thank you. Thanks for your MT5 simulator. It has been so helpful. Thank you, man. I appreciate it. MT5 simulator is one of those things which has really transformed my trading in the beginning. In the beginning, there was only one simulator, and that was called the MT4 simulator. There was the MT4 simulator, but now we have MT5 simulator. Amazing. This system is crazy. We got about 10 minutes left for the stream to end, for this candle to close. And while we wait for that time, let me show you this MT5 simulator, right? Look at that. Bring this over here, pull this up, allow this, allow algo trading. Okay, no problem. Click OK. Run this. Here we are, MT5 simulator. We're going to log in. We're going to go download data. We're going to choose gold. Gold, we have data till whatever, 4th August. Who cares? Okay, let's try to update this. See if we get the recent one. Download will take time, so we're not going to download it. We're going to start simulation. Look, guys, look. So from here, I'll choose gold. I'll choose, let's say, 2025 July. I want to do NFP, right? Go there, this New York close, whatever, spread. Let's do fixed. 200. From here, we choose standard chart, lowest time frame, 15 minute. Start simulation. Look at this. Right? Look at that. This is now running right over here. This is the calendar. Link is in description. Link is in description. And then I play this right here. These are the sessions. Look at that. London session, New York session, forward, forward, forward. You can also go backwards. Right? So anyway, forward, forward, forward. Let's go towards let's go towards the news, right? NFP. Let's go towards NFP. Here we go. Speed it up. Here we are, NFP. So we started with 10,000. This is NFP. This is not NFP. This is some, yeah, this is not when NFP happened. It happened previous week. My bad. But you get the idea, right? From here, I can risk percentage, let's say 2%. Take a buy. Oh, close this over here. Take a buy, take profit, stop loss, right? Just like is in the real market. Oh, wow, look at that. Where profits. Trade panel, this is where you see. Amazing setup. Amazing. Close full, whatever. Yeah, this is 15-minute time frame. Oh, we were looking at the 1-minute time frame. Anyway. Cool. Cool beans. Cool beans, Raja Banks. Good marketing advertising. No, we don't need you to run anymore. Yeah, here we are. The 30-minute candle is about to close now. Look at that. It's starting to push down over here. Take a look. Let's take a look on the 15-minute time frame. 15-minute time frame is also open. This is probably like the support we have. I think it's going to be important to wait to see how the 30-minute candle will close. I think that's going to be more important to see how the candle will close. Open a ticket on Discord. Awesome. Good. I'm not going to answer it. So one of our teams will answer it. Speaking of, why is it updating correctly to present date? After I update the dates I want, like the start date is fine, but the end date won't change for me. And because like, am I close because you're in Dubai? Should I be stuck on the same site? Yeah, so it will update every Friday. Every Friday it will update. So it should have updated till this past Friday, till the 15th. If not, then the guy is a little bit slow. But it updates every Friday. I choose New York close because I'm very used to seeing that time when I was in Canada. So it's easier for me to relate. When will the seat booking link be released for the upcoming event in Dubai? Oh, upcoming event in Dubai. Yeah, we need to have an event in Dubai. What's the date here now? This is the 18th August. When can we have it? September? Let's have it maybe like 21st or 28th September. 21st or 28th September. So the candle is about to close in about 7 minutes, and I think one of these things is going to be correct where the candle can break and close below this area. And the next 30-minute candle can wake up and then continue to push down. Which pair is this? Gold. Gold, gold, gold. Wow, looks like I'm going to be sitting out with this here as well. Thank you, James. I appreciate it. Good guy, James. Oh, wow, look at that. Hard pushes over here. Bro bought on a simulator and almost hit TP. Goat. Oh, nice. Bought on a simulator. Beautiful. Quotes about life check. By I'm receiving money from a mentorship and I want to be a full-time day trader. I hate my job. I'm in sales job. If you're in sales job, man, you should be making money. Sales job with commission, I think you should be making money. But depends on what sort of commission you're getting anyway. Rajaji watching from washroom, thank you. I want to ask your opinion, which account is better for small capital on Dominion markets and especially which leverage? I think the better account on Dominion markets is going to be the ECN account. ECN account is going to be better. ECN account. Is any trade running? No, no trade running. Man, I'm hoping for the next candle to wake up, break the low, and continue to push down. That's what I'm hoping for. If I get it, then that's going to be good. Rohit Kumar. Wow, look at that. Look at that pullback. See that pullback? Man, that's crazy. Crazy pullback. Wow. So if this was me maybe like 5-6 years ago, I would have been in sells and in drawdown. Wow. Explain ECN account, please. Google that. Can you please suggest what's the better lot size for Google? Isn't sell risky? Sell is very risky right now. Sell is very, very risky. Yo, what's up? Yo.
Hey, what's up?
What does an ECN account mean?
An ECN account, or Electronic Communications Network account, connects traders directly to the interbank market, providing access to other participants like banks, hedge funds, and other traders. It offers tighter spreads, more transparency, and faster execution, but often comes with a...
Listen, so can you explain that to me as if I'm a 5-year-old?
Of course. Think of an ECN account like a big room where everyone comes together to trade. Instead of going through a middleman, you get to trade directly with other people in the room, making things quicker and often cheaper. It's like skipping the line and going straight to the source.
You get it now, right? Now it should be much more simple. Much more simple.
Got it. An ECN account is like a direct line to trade with others without any middleman, making it quicker and often cheaper. Does that make sense now?
Yeah, right? That's it. You know what my kids do? My kids don't even know about Google. My kids don't know about Google. They just look at ChatGPT. That's it. Hassan, what are you trying to do with Magic Keys? Yeah, so let's see over here. We got about 2 minutes left. The candle's still open. Look at the 15-minute candle. Wow, man, tough price action. Look at this 1 hour candle. Wow, tough price action. Very, very tough. Very tough. सेल नहीं करूंगा यार भी. Can you count from 1 to 10, please?
Sure. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Can you count a little bit faster?
Sure. 1, 2, 3,
Faster.
4. 1, 2, 3,
Faster.
4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Maybe a little bit more faster.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
A little bit more faster. Give it like a full gas right now.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Now, can you count in the same speed from 1 to 1 million?
Counting to 1 million at that speed would take quite a while. Anything else you'd like to know?
No, I got time. I got a lot of while. I got a lot of time. Let's do it.
That's a huge number. It would take over 11 days non-stop.
No,
Maybe we can find...
no problem. I got 11 days. I got 11 days. Just start counting.
I appreciate your enthusiasm. How about we do something more fun or useful in the meantime?
No, that's very useful. Okay, how about we count from 1 to 1,000? Fast.
Counting to 1,000 would still take quite some time. If you'd like, I can count a smaller range or help with anything else.
Okay, what's the maximum range you can count?
I can count a small range quickly, like from 1 to 20. Would you like me to do that?
No. Bro, my 3-year-old can do it. Okay, live stream. Okay, so this candle here is pushing up. It's pushing up. That's it. That's it. If we break the low, I think we can push down. But anyway, I'm gonna head off. It's Monday. We have some work to do here in the office, but we'll see if we can break below here for price to push down. 0.05. Nah. Ooh, we need to go to our leaderboard account. Gotta trade this account over here. Leaderboard account. Anyway, take care, guys. We'll see you guys on Wednesday. Bye. Just remember, ChatGPT can't count from 1 to 1 million. Can only count from 1 to 20. This is not AI yet. AI is not taking over yet if it can't count to 1 to 1 million. Yeah.